Hello, and for those who don't know me, my name is Dane Maggs, and I am the Managing Director of the National Community Law Project, CIC. And we are launching now a new membership package. So, the National Community Law Project is a not-for-profit social enterprise that is set up by law graduates and law students to assist those most vulnerable in need of legal support. That could be for a variety of reasons, such as being low income, being a person litigant, being marginalised or being vulnerable, and issues arise. Now, I've really struggled because we've had to charge for our services for a while, and we have hundreds of people coming to us every month looking for legal support in different areas. And unfortunately, because the restrictions at the moment, they haven't been able, a lot of people haven't been able to afford the legal support that we can provide. I've reached out to a lot of people, including some of you, some of the clients who come through, and I've reached out to the team as well. And then we came up with some solutions. So my question was, how can we sustain ourselves, but also be able to provide you with a really good service and ensure that we can reach as many people as possible. And the information which come back, the two main reoccurring ones was set up a crowdfunder because people would be happy to donate to that, and set up memberships, low price memberships. So under anything from 30 to £100 a month, which is reasonable for people in order to basically for us to keep the lights on and be able to continue to do what we need to do, independent and independent of like any kind of state funding, that kind of thing, but also to make sure that we got we're accountable to our members as well. So I think that's a really good thing, which we've always been. So we've decided now, I've discussed with the other directors, Stuart, and also Tymor, my executive assistant, and some of the team and some of you, and we've decided to set up this membership package. So this membership package is a monthly packages, and as you can see outlined, then the different packages that we're offering for the different support. And we think this is far more viable because then we'll be able to help more people and reach more people. So the purpose is if we get more people to join, then we can provide more and more and better services. And the membership packages, like I say, ranges anything from £5, sorry, up to £100. And they have different levels of service in there. So there might be sometimes, depending on the complexity of the case or the highness of the case, where there might be additional costs. But realistically, if we can get enough clients there, we should be able to manage everybody effectively, whilst making sure that our law students and graduates gain practical experience whilst working together in order to make sure you get the best results as possible. So I'm quite excited about this. I hope it works. And then we can slip away from the £50 per hour that we're charging at the moment, because although it's very cheap, it's still sometimes unaffordable, especially if there's like 10 hours involved in a case, that kind of thing. And it'll keep us sustained as well. Plus, you'll be contributing in order to help other people as well who are facing legal issues, who really need the support and they just cannot afford it because of circumstances at the moment. So I really thank you, and I really appreciate the fact of you joining on board. Once you're onboarded, somebody will reach out to you to find out if you need any support, and you'll receive the emails and the contacts and everything else moving forward. And we'll reach out to you for feedback as well of how we can constantly keep improving and bettering our services to meet your needs, and which we do quite often, and build on making a strong community. And that's really what I do want to see. I do want to see a strong membership driven organization that becomes hopefully one of the largest we've managed to do to help many hundreds of law students and graduates and thousands of people over the UK over the several years we've been running. And we want to continue to do that. It's the right thing to do. And we want to be able to continue that support. So thank you very much. Okay. Thank you.